The mid-year sales are here, and your online shopping carts are completely cleared out. You bought new outfits and upgraded your gadgets. But what about the Aircon that keeps you alive every single day? Look at all this disgusting black water and trapped dust being flushed out by our team. Instead of spending cash on things you barely use, invest in your family's health and daily comfort. Enjoy massive discounts on expert servicing and installations. Give your home a fresh upgrade.